In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an Eevee magnifying glass. Create a cylinder and scale it. Select these two faces and extrude it down a bit. Press S, Y, and 0 to align the faces along the Y-axis. Extrude to create a handle. Select these two faces and press I as in India to extrude inward. Delete the faces and bridge edge loop these two edge loops. Press Ctrl 3 to add a subsurf modifier. Add edge loops with Ctrl R to add more sharpness to the mesh like this. Apply the modifier. Add a new material. Create a UV sphere and scale it. Parent the handle to the lens, so we can just move one object. Add two planes. Scale the second plane larger and apply UV and color grids to them. Lift the magnifying glass mesh a bit. Enable screen space reflections. Put a check mark on the refraction. Go to the material and change the surface to the glass shader. Enable screen space refraction. Lower the roughness. Change the IOR setting to get the best magnifying result. By the way, I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI image, but you can use any other HDRI images. This is the end of the Eevee magnifying glass tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also, please remember to use the share button below to share this tutorial on social media. Thank you for watching.